mobile application. So please stay connected for some time. So this is our newly launched mobile application, as you see in the screen right now, with all TradingView custom indicators where you can change different time frames. Okay, you can change the mode also, like right now, and it will work according to the swing chart we are having. This one, as you see right now, I have put the stock of Bank Nifty future in my screen. Okay, so let's just go to the mobile application over here, and this is, I have put in Bank Nifty over here also. Let me just search and show you. Bank Nifty, if I search over here, you can search any script of your choice from here. You will get NSE, MCX future and options, all the scripts available over here. See, Bank Nifty just generated. So double click, it will open over here. Now see, here in the chart you see Bank Nifty future gives a buy signal over here, and if you check in the mobile app, there also it's showing buy signal over here. So when you put the cursor here in this B1, that is the buy signal, it will show you the buy price at the rate along with the target given. Okay, so you can see the buy price that is with target. Okay, and you can change different time frame also, like this one. Just click over here, you can change 3 minutes, make it 15 minutes, any time frame you can put, and you will get the signals in 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes. And the best thing about is that whatever new calls are generating, the latest signals, you can check from here in this last signal windows one. When you click on this last signal, there will be a window generated like this, and it will show you all the latest updates of the calls generated in 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minute interval of time. So from here you can choose that. In every 10 to 15 minutes, you can just open it and check whatever the new signals are coming. Second thing is, you can change the mode also over here. Like right now it is in light mode. You can change the mode to dark mode also. You can zoom in, zoom out by control plus minus like this. This will be zoom in, zoom out. You can drag and drop the indicators like this. Okay, and the TSI indicator which we are following in the swing one, the same indicator you're gonna get in this mobile app also. See, the TSI is running. Okay, along with that, the best thing is you can add your own indicators over here. See, all the indicators are available. When you click on this indicator, the box will appear like this. See, any indicator you want to add, just double click on this and it will come. Okay, if you just double click, it will come. Like right now I'm searching double EMA. So see, it's come. I just click on here and now see it started generating over here. See, it's showing. So just it's started forming, and you just click over here and you can just cross it and it will be deleted also. So you can add your own strategies over here also. You can change the time frame. You can add your own scripts also. You can search any script. Like see, let's go to the chart. Okay, let's search any commodity script right now. I'll just search, go with the zinc one. Okay, so I'll just open the zinc right now. See, zinc was generated going in a sell one. So let's go to the mobile application we are having and just search zinc over here. Started coming. Yeah, see, it comes. Now see, here also see ZIL is showing the sell signal over here. Sell with the price and the target will be given over here. So this is the newly advanced mobile app which you are getting from now onwards. Okay, and this you will get in the two packages, that is the lifetime packages we are having. In the 34,895, that is the premium package we are having with advanced scanners and benefit. In this you are getting this mobile version app, this mobile app with all charts, alert, plus TradingView custom indicators along with multi-time frame tick by tick update, 5 years free. Okay, and this will be supported in Android, iOS, web. So for 5 years we are getting it for free of cost. After 5 years you just need to renew this mobile app. That will be rupees 100 per month. That's a minimum charge. And secondly, in this 24895, that is the full ultimate package, you are getting this mobile app, chart plus alert plus TradingView custom indicators plus multi-time frame plus tick by tick update for 1 year free. So after 1 year you need to renew this. That will be rupees 100 per month. So this is all for now. Stay connected for the